Look at how gross this weather is. Guess what's coming out? Christmas socks, Christmas pajamas. And then there's a messy red Santa Claus socks. So I'm about to put my Christmas socks on, sort out, and just get everything back together because it's messy. The weather's like so disgusting today here actually. So like it not nice weather at all. Sorry, I haven't been logged anymore. I've just been trying to get work done. So, to get yesterday's Vlogmas, realising I forgot to put the bits I may have to take it off tomorrow, re-upload it, and then need to do thumbnails and get this one sorted. Because nothing really Christmas has happened. You can see the cameras in the back. This was 2019. That's why I don't know when that one was. It's in front of you, but I'm gonna get ready after this clothes. And me getting ready and stuff because it's like I'm gonna show you the socks now. These are my Christmas socks. So I have Kevin. Just turning the socks inside. No, well, I mean, I know. Surprise, surprise. So now I'm just going to put my socks on. I need to wear some Christmassy socks. Like this vlog will consist of a lot of sock wearing because it's Christmas. I like lots of socks in the vlogs when it's this time of the year. Beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm wearing Santa Claus socks. Quite a challenge to do them one-handed, so I'm meant to put you down while I do it. Like, show you my socks. These are what my socks look like. And my shoes are downstairs. My jumper's downstairs. So I've made it to the train station. The weather is disgusting. Actually, this book. Disgusting weather today. Book. This might end up reading this one over Christmas. The weather is downstairs. It's not long till this chapter finishes. Weather is light and that's the design. Might be nasty. that's a joke. Good, and you get that one. Might end up reading this one over Christmas. The weather is down still. It is just not long till this chapter finishes. Weather is like nasty. Like really nasty. Like really like really dark. Where it's gonna be so hot. So wet. It's nice weather to about to vlog. Badly fucking warm, but lost on my head. I don't know when I put the look on serious time. That's great for me. And I might have to put it away. As much outside because it's so wet. Like, really rainy. But that's just ridiculous. I don't know. Look how much the wind is blowing. It's so right today. I literally have real clothing. Even though I look really ridiculous. Probably see all those puddles. There's nothing forever. Like there's a literally, I'll get close up. So wet. Getting really wet. Literally getting wet. Oh, I don't know better. All the big puddles and literally it's 12:52 and it's not till 1:10. You think you don't want to get smashed. Disgusting. And I just swallowed something. Wait, what, darling? Let's see what happened. It's disgusting. Look at the tree view. Just put everything back on and this is what the sky looks like. I'm just kind of walking to the cliff building to go get a cup of tea. Like literally, and go to the toilet. I know I'm going to be so late for 20 minutes because I wanted to go to tea. So I've not had a warm drink since lunch. I might just see if I could sit in the water. I've seen there's the vending machine. I did not know that, but I can't be bothered now to walk back in when I'm going to walk in the rain because it's gross weather. At least I'm actually wearing waterproofs compared to what I did one time where I didn't wear any waterproofs at all. So at least I'm like going to be dry. Went to the cliff building. I love it. So I've got this to try, and I've got my cheese here. Next week I'm going to be getting a terrace chocolate by George Dog. It's literally so dark. Like, that's how dark it is. It's just a tacky white cup of tea. Like Christmas socks are not smoked. Well, let's go that. Wow, I just saw a squirrel. Sorry if this is not in as good focus. Turn off. The weather is so wet, it's just disgusting. It's dark and it's wet, and I'm probably not going to vlog too much. So it's just trending. Like, it's disgusting. Like, literally, I'm still in my waterproofs, and I haven't even got out of that yet. So, just sort of gotta just get to the train station. I need blue anyway, so that's fun. Not wet, it's just the fact that there's not much legs. Saying shows how wet it is. So, it's not nice weather. It's more than I'd normally wear at this time of the day. So, going to platform 2. And I think so you can see that. Like how dark it actually is. It's really dark. I'll show you. Lit. It's so dark.
Please remain behind the yellow line, as this is there for your safety and the safety of others. Thank you.
Just got to find the floor. It's an accusation. It's so dark.